Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
To check a bladder in a pressure tank, follow these steps. 1. Turn off the power to the system to ensure safety. 2. Drain the tank completely by opening a faucet or valve. 3. Check the air pressure using a tire pressure gauge at the valve on the top of the tank. It should be 2 psi below the cut-in pressure of the pump. For most systems, this is around 18 to 20 psi. 4. If the pressure is too low, add air using a bicycle pump or air compressor. 5. Listen for air leaks or inspect for damage to determine if the bladder is compromised. Ensuring the correct pressure and integrity of the bladder optimizes the tank's performance and longevity.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.